Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Johto Elite. Hope you're all doing great. Like, comment, and subscribe to Johto Johnny if you enjoy this content. And hit that notification bell so you are updated on and you get alerts on every video that is uploaded by yours truly, Johto Johnny. Today we got another mystery power box opening. If you're new to the channel, I love opening these. They are one of my favorites. And they're 1 in 5 seeded vintage packs. Will we open it? Depends on what pack it is. Usually we don't, because I am a seal collector first when it comes to vintage. But you never know. You never know. So, everything wants to fly out on us. Before we get into that, hashtag Squirtle, hashtag Eevee, hashtag Charmander, hashtag Pikachu, hashtag Bulbasaur for the giveaway of July. Hope you're all excited as I am, because last one we did very well. We gave out the 2 battle decks, the Pikachu and the Charizard one. Congratulations to the winners on that. But this month I wanted to go a little extra. How do you win? How do I win, Johto Johnny? You need to be subscribed and active. Be an active member in the Johto Elite. Don't just comment once. Try to be active. Watch some videos. Hopefully you watch them all. But if you can't, just be active. Let's get into this. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising GX Challenge Box. So Galileo. Got Segaleo. Dusk Nor Holographic. First pack. Cosmic Eclipse. Maybe a character card. Something would be great. Energy. Red and Blue Tag Team. Gold Duck Swimming. Will. Rockruff, sleeping with one eye open. That Mimikyu scaring him, I guess. Deerling, looking at a flower. Teddy Ursa, scared. Golett, with a rock in his hand. Jupiter. Lillipup, very happy this time. And Weevil. The non-hollow. Next pack. Sun and Moon base set. Code. Energy. Alima. Dragonair. Double Colorless Energy. Alolan Diglett. Marini. Crabrawler. Eevee. Sandygast. Rainbow Energy, and a Bruxish. Sword and Shield base set. We still need that gold Zacian, everybody. That'd be amazing. Or the full art Zacian. Either one. Energy. Pokegear 3.0. Aurora Energy. Ferrothorn looking all tangled up there. Pinchurchin. Blipbug. Rhyhorn. Mencino. Chinchou. Grookey. Holographic Frosmoth. Unified Minds, Mewtwo and Mew pack. Let's go. If this is the next, if this is this like another run of these, then I don't know, Johto Elite. They really skunked everybody. To go 4 of 10, and then now we're like, 0 for 4 the last few videos. Dark City, Sneasel, Bone Sweet, Joltik, Salandit, Riola. That's a beautiful artwork right there. Munna and Scrafty. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Oh, what did we get this time? Huh. An Anaheim Pikachu pin from 2017. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Oh my goodness, I got so many pins. And Pikachu. Once again, no vintage pack. I got another Cosmic Eclipse though, everybody. So if you like the modern sets, we're definitely getting them. There's the code, which most of us all do, but Energy. Red and Blue Tag Team. Golduck. Pangoro. Flabebe. Sneasel. Natu. Trapinch. Spiel. Armaldo. And Zatu. Non-holographic. I hope the one for tomorrow is better. But, recap. Cosmic Eclipse, Unified Minds, Sword and Shield, Sun and Moon, and another Cosmic Eclipse. Zatu, Frostmoth, Baruch-ish, Weevil, and then a Dusknoir they give you. Johto Johnny's the name, Pokemon is the game. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell so you're always notified when a new video is uploaded for you. And of course, do your hashtags for the giveaway so you are entered for the month of July. Thank you all, and I'll see you very, very soon.